Okay, this was an experiment, and I had this very large yellow squash, and the outer skin of the yellow squash was really hard. And just trying to cut the squash, it was like a challenge to get that knife, and I used like a bread serrated knife just to cut through the squash. And then I cut it in small pieces, put it on a baking tray, and baked the squash. Now, the outer shell of the squash is really hard. So it's kind of like if you treat it like an artichoke, how you would eat an artichoke, where you take your teeth and you kind of slide it down and take the meat off. That's basically what I've done. So here's a piece, okay? And it's like you take your teeth to get the inner meat out, but the shell, it really is almost like a shell. I did try to eat it, one of the pieces before, and crunch it up. It takes a lot of chewing. But I noticed that when, you have the smaller squash, the yellow squash, they're so much softer. So anyway, this was just something I tried out. But what really turned out really great were all the little seeds, like all the little kind of pumpkin seed size seeds that were in the yellow squash. And again, I toasted them with olive oil, salt, kosher salt, and garlic. And those seeds are really amazing. So anyway, you can make the yellow squash with the hard skin, but you're really gonna pull out the insides and eat the flesh of the inside, and then probably throw away that part, and then eating the seeds. That tastes really good. So anyway, I hope that helps for anybody that's interested in very large yellow squash that has a hard shell, what you can do with it.